What's up, everybody? I'm Derek. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing a little scrap metal run, taking some scrap metal that I built up to the recycling yard. Nothing too terribly exciting, but I thought some people might be interested in, I guess, how much you can make off of scrap steel. It's all loaded up in the trailer, so let's go to the trailer and back up to it and haul it over to the scrap metal yard. So I'm guessing that I've got around 300 or 400 pounds. I've got that quad that I fixed up for my kid that I bought from this place. That's pretty much toast now. He rode it around for about 6 months, had a lot of fun. I've got a bunch of small pieces of metal that I've cut up and thrown away. I've got a garage door that was replaced on one of the storage units that's going, a toaster, and then some steel from some ladder racks that were abandoned that I cut up to keep this good steel from. It's just down the road from my house, but the bad thing about this place, sorry if you've been looking at my chest and chin the whole time, the bad thing about this place is that we live in such a rural area that it's so expensive to haul it off to the city where they recycle the metal that we bring to them, that we get a significantly lower price per ton. It's somewhere like around like 20, 25, maybe $30 a ton right now. Where I called the place down in the valley, I say the valley, it's the Phoenix area, just to compare, and they were paying like $70 a ton. So we'll see how much we get here. So I'm pulling up on the scale now. Truck and trailer looking like 7,360 pounds. Pulling up on the scale, 69.60. I might get $1 or $2 for it. I don't know if you can read that, but it was 400 pounds, 7,360 in and 6,960 out. So it was exactly 400 pounds. And I can't tell what they were writing, but I got $4 for the steel, and then I got $1 for the battery. So it came out with $5. Hardly even worth my time, but I feel like I'm doing a good thing. You know, I'm keeping trash out of the landfills a little bit, and I'm recycling metal. I'm not complaining about $5. I'm gonna go put it in my tank right now. My gas light's on and I get paid Friday, so I'm not a paycheck to paycheck person. I've got a whole bunch of money stacked away in the bank in savings, but I am paycheck to paycheck in terms of what I can spend on gas and stuff, which is not very much money every 2 weeks. So I don't have a whole lot of money to put in the tank is what I'm getting at. So in my neck of the woods, that $5 got me about 2.21 gallons. All right, so there you have it, guys. It's 20 bucks a pound for scrap metal in my area. Did I just say 20 bucks a pound? 20 bucks a ton, if I said that wrong, I'm not sure. And then I can get about 2¼ gallons of gas with the $5. So it does kind of suck, but at least I get some money out of junk. That's literally what it is. It's just garbage, staying out of landfill. Get a little bit of money for it. Get to use the trailer. It's not a bad time. So it just kind of is what it is. But thanks, guys, for watching. I know this wasn't a great video. Please give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. We'll see you on the next video.